month starts on a Monday, like January doesn't start on Monday, and February and March and April and May. But if you're looking at your calendar, what day is the first
Which one?
on the U.S.?
Tuesday.
How do you say Tuesday in French?
Is it Marty?
Mardi. So it's still Tuesday. It's
Oh,
just
okay.
shifted over. It looks like Monday because we're used to looking at Sunday then Monday. But it's actually Tuesday because of the way they write their calendar. Does that make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Now? Okay. So it looks different. It's the same. Like it still starts on whatever day it starts on. So if you're looking at, like when we get back to school, it'll be March. March actually starts on Monday. Alright? Here, it's the second day of the week when you look at a calendar. If you're looking at a French calendar, the first is still on Monday, but it'll be in the first spots, like the first blank, because their first column is Monday, not Sunday. Yes?
I'm good now. I was just
Okay.
confused.
Alright, so this is where on the back of this notes page, the long form of dates. This is what I write on the board every day. Let me get a blank thing up here. So in English, what is today's date? Quelle est la date? Okay, we would say February 26th, right? Alright, based on your vocab, how do you say today is? New some, okay? Then, you already know how to write the date because you've seen it on the board. What do you write for February 26th? Yes, you do have to put the little. So, you have to say it is the 26th of February. Like that's how you read it in French when you say the date. So, nous sommes le, how do you say 26? 26, and how do you say February? Close. Février. Because the ER on the end makes a long A sound. Okay? Now, and I know I kind of showed this class this yesterday, but I know I didn't get to it in the other classes. If I'm lazy and I don't want to write out February 26th, how do I write that in just numbers in English?
Dash to 26.
Dash, whoops, I was going to do a slash and then my brain stopped. Like that, which is the same thing as this. It's the same thing, just written a little differently, right? In French, what do you do?
Don't you have the date and the month?
Yeah, just like, so here we have month, then day. In French, you have day, then month, so you flip-flop this as well. This becomes 26-2. It's the same thing, it's just written backwards from what you're used to. Big numbers, it's easy. Are there 26 months in a year? No, so you can tell that that's February 26th. In French, what is that date? The 3rd of February, because this is the day, this is the month. Okay, so I'm telling you now, on your 9 weeks test, or on your test when you have this, whether, you know, in different years it's not necessarily on the 9 weeks test, but whatever test you have, I will give you like this, and maybe even this, and you have to know the difference between March the 2nd and February the 3rd. I'm telling you now that I'm going to try to trick you to see if you know what you're talking about. So, whatever is on your test, it's already written number-wise in French. Okay? So this is February 3rd and March 2nd. Look at it with French eyes instead of American US eyes. Okay? Alright. So, long form is this. Guess what this is called?
Sure.
Yeah, short form. So I think that is at the next bullet point, or the next thing. It shows you examples on here. It gives you some examples of how to do it. Now, the only other thing that we kind of talked about, but I haven't shown you yet, is something about the first. What did I tell you was different about the first of whatever month?
Wait a minute.
Wait, you instead of put first, you have to put the.
Yeah, you put that. You put the word
I don't
instead
know
of the
how to
number.
say it.
Alright, so 1/5. Okay, what month is the 5th month?
May.
May. I have to do that too. Alright, so how would you write May 1st? Because this is May 1st, not English January 5th, okay? So how do you write May 1st out long way? Yeah. L.
And then,
The P word.
How do you say the P word?
That's a great question.
it's like premier.
Close. ER makes an A sound on the end.
Premier.
Close. Premier. You gotta have the I in there too. So you actually have to write premier. And then how do you say May?
May.
May. That one's easy. Okay. Once you change it to the second, now what does that look like?
What to?
Which is duh, yes. Le, de, May. So the first is the only one where, for whatever reason, you write out the word. And again, it has to do, I think, with the fact that the word one also needs a and that kind of thing. But on the test, if you write le and then you put the number 1 and then whatever month it is, I'm not giving you full credit for that. You have to write out the word first. You have to write out premier. Okay? Can you do some of this on your own? Like if I give you a worksheet where I give you, let's do what? I'll let somebody else. Lee, when's your birthday?
December 29th.
Well, I should have left December. Okay. December 29th. How do you write that the long way? The.
Bad enough.
Then neuf.
December? Is that how you say it?
Bruh, but yes, décembre.
They sound
Okay. How do you write that the short way?
29-12, but it would be, line up, dash. Hold on. Is
Dues. Good. Alright, Tristan, when's your birthday?
April 3rd.
Okay. So we're gonna do this one backwards. How do you write it the short way first? Six.
4?
Yeah, it's 4. Feel free to use your fingers to count. Okay. So how do you write this the long way? Mm-hmm.
6.
Which is cease. Then what? Avril. Alright, what's your birthday?
December 26th.
Okay. What's the long way? Mm-hmm.
These.
9 C's. Good.
And then December.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What's the short way to do that?
26th.
Alright, last one. What's your birthday?
February 8th.
Okay. What's the short way to write that?
8/2.
Yep. And what's the long way to write that?
Le. Weeks. February.
So this is all that you're gonna be doing on the worksheet. That's it. Just writing out the dates, getting used to it. And then when we go over it, it'll help you practice your numbers. Then so we're gonna do the worksheet and we're gonna go over it on Monday. Alright, so whatever you don't finish, you do need to finish over the weekend, so that we can go over it on Monday. And then we'll have our test, vocab test on Tuesday, do some more practice with all of this, looking at dates and pulling dates out and all that kind of stuff. What did I do? And then your test will be, I forgot what day. Tuesday or Wednesday, I'll have to look it up again. Alright, you've got that's too much math. 15-ish minutes. So you can get a lot done by people